Welcome back now to Prime Time Sports Wednesday. Running off with some athletics into secondary schools, Sports Association ISA President Keith Wellington says there will be a record number of overseas participants at this year's ISA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships.
The ISA President, Keith Wellington, who was speaking at the launch of the championships at the National Stadium a short while ago, also recognized the 25th anniversary since the joining of Boys and Girls Championships.
On the girls' side, we'll have students born in Anguilla, Antigua and Barbuda, Curacao, Dominica, Grenada, Guyana, Jamaica, Nicaragua, Nigeria, St. Lucia, Trinidad and Tobago, Uganda, United Kingdom, and the United States, of course.
Wellington also announced that the overseas flavor will not only involve athletes, but officials as well.
And so we have invited 2 international officials to bolster our cadre of meet officials who continue to give yeoman service to our organization. We believe that inclusion of an international start referee and the addition of an international official to the jury of appeal will not only add significant credibility to these areas, but will enhance the already significant reputation of champs.
And Wellington also paid special tribute to RJR Gleaner track and field analyst and noted commentator and author Hubert Lawrence, who passed away suddenly on February 23.
Track and field lost one of its greatest analysts, writer and voice, Hubert Lawrence. Thankfully, Hubert's legacy will be enshrined in his contribution to our Champ Centenary book, Champs 100. His co-authorship of the books, 50 Days of Fire and Power and Glory, Jamaica in World Athletics, from World War II to the Diamond League era.
Live coverage of the ISA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, which is set for March 19 to 23, can be seen on TVJ, TVJSN, OneSpotMedia.com, while radar coverage will be on Hits 92 FM. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.